Alright guys, the 2 bananas that came from this tree previously, they got summer heat dead. Now this is the winter bananas, and hopefully the high heat and temperature, see that, it's starting right there, and hopefully the high heat and temperature will not kill these. And then we got this here, and then this is a different plantain tree, and as you can see, it's still square. These got to get rounded off. So this plantain tree is different from the one back there. Phoebe's butterfly gardens, she's taken care of. We got her little smoke thing going, mosquito killer. I love bonfires. I love the smell of smoke, leaves burning. This is that orange tree. Just showing you guys where it's at. Again, the heat killed everything. I mean, literally. And now it's just gonna start all over again. We got some beans, peas, tomatoes, cucumbers, and I don't know, something else, but let's see if this works and it's not as hot. Now this is that weird lemon lime tree that BB bought. It's supposed to be the other lime. That's looking good. Berries. More. Those 3 bananas are different from the tall banana like I was showing back there. The papayas have been growing. We've been giving them away, but they're coming back again. What happened?
Since you're burning this, I'm gonna get
Oh wow, you really
I only just cut those bottom ones off that were hanging down.
Oh, okay.
That's all I did.
That's the big avocado that it had 2.
That's the sign.
And then this is the small avocado that
And that's the Hess.
it had like 20 of them, then it died. I'm telling you, that heat stroke, and then it regrew.
Yeah.
On the bottom.
Yeah, BB's got a lot of weed eating to do today.
These the lemon tree, which something ate it and only left us 1 lemon.
No, they got snapped. Well, yeah, something snagged it.
And then I would show you this pile here, but it has worms in it.
Compost.
Yes. But BB just added something to it now.
Turn it
So
over.
and it's hard to turn it over because you got all that up on top. But there's worms in there now. Definitely.
Here, let me help you out with that.
Worms in there. And how long has this been here for?
A year.
Here, you want to do that real quick? Well, hold that. Yeah, we keep churning it, and then you can see.
Right now I got lemongrass in it.
Yeah. But you can see the little worms right there.
Where are you seeing a worm?
Right there.
Oh, okay, yeah, I see
Yeah,
the
yeah,
tiny
there's a
one.
bunch of worms in there. And that's what you gotta do. You gotta leave it in here for a while, and then churn it.
You gotta
leave it and
water
churn
it
it.
and let
Yeah.
the heat get to it. Oh, I see him now.
Yeah, now.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Good job, boys.
So hopefully by the end,
Hopefully by spring I'll have a...
then we can start putting this on top of.
Well, we don't need that
Over
anymore,
there.
I guess.
We're letting these ear plants grow. The vine from the bottom. We put an aloe here. These, they grow a flower. The vine is starting to grow. These were even smaller than this at one time. And then she's got all her flowers planted
What is that?
along. What is it?
An onion.
Oh, okay.
I was like, there. Toots.
Yep.
I know I have to
The
go
experiment that we've been doing is feeding that. It has a hole on the bottom, and it's watering that middle one. But this back one seems to grow a heck of a lot, seeming to grow faster than that middle one, which gets the nutrients from there, but who knows.
And now you can start breaking down.
Yeah, any like our scraps, foods, we put it here. Eggshells. Right, eggshells. Grass clippings. But we don't do it all the time. You got to let them chomp that. Like, that's good. Now we just put
and then I have another one over there I started.
The eggshells. Like if we cut our vegetables, lettuce.
There.
Coffee grinds.
Tea bags.
If we're eating the banana, like apples or fruits, we put the peels, or, you know, whatever we don't eat off the apples. We put that all in here. Right. Corn on the cob. Cobber things. Seeds. Yeah, anything we don't eat, that if we're eating vegetables or something, we put it in here.
You need
we're not
stuff like this, like grass clippings, but you need brown stuff too.
Yeah.
Like tea bags, coffee grounds.
Yeah, we cut onions, tomatoes, whatever's left over, whatever we don't eat, we just pour it right all in there and stuff.
Yeah, I got a little bucket in the house.
All right, and then this year, this gave us flowers.
Jasmine.
And then
Baby's got to do some more weaving here.
This is another one that's grown and took off. So everything's taken off, but that heat literally.
It killed my Delilahs. It butchered them.
Yeah. But the heat definitely killed
I'm putting them next year.
A lot of the things we were trying to grow. Obviously, the only thing that worked that good was raising those butterflies. And then we're going to see about these bananas, and then the new bananas coming. So.
And the new Florida milkweed, the swamp weed.
Yeah.
Other milkweeds that we got.
Let me go do this.
I got to get this.
Forgot to add these cilantros.
No. That's oregano.
Oh, oregano.
That's Greek oregano.
Greek. Basil.
And cilantro's on this
side. And then we got my Puerto Rican lemon tree fighting back. And then that's for the Florida caterpillars, because the other ones were deforming some of the caterpillars.
Yeah, this is not tropical.
But this is Florida's milkweed, tropical for Florida.
Incarnata.
Yeah. That is for the Florida monarchs. All right.
All of Florida butterflies, really.
Yeah, but I'm just saying the ones we were having problems with our monarchs.
Yeah.
But now we should be good. Oh, and then the gandula tree.
Yeah, just fertilize that back.
Which she should be ready for next year to produce. I don't know if it produces twice a year, but it does produce in January, February. So we'll wait on that. That's where we made the fresh gandulas.
Yep.
It's coming along good, guys. Just wanted to show you guys what we're doing during the day when we're not out. It's one thing good about Florida. Bonfires. Show you guys some of the front things that are going on. That's some kind of butterfly thing. I don't know what it is. That's a flower tree. Another banana tree. That's our magnolia that we had from a baby. Pineapple. It's a flower tree. And here's some plants we brought back from New Jersey. So just keeping you guys updated on what's going on. But that summer heat has definitely killed it. Get it ready for the football season with the Gators. There you go. American flag to college football. Things I did a video on when I put those lights, those are amazing. These are the red ones up in the front, orange ones up in the back. While she does the gardening, I'm gonna change that carburetor on my niece's lawnmower and try to get this thing running. I took a pain pill and now I feel good to work on it. That's all it basically is that carburetor, the old one, the new one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. Pops right out. You're just taking off the lid, 3 screws. Those were 4 screws. This does have the push button on it. And what happens is when the gas sits in here and you never use it for a year or more, the turpentine gets in there, the gas. I'm gonna pull the bottom, but it's probably all corroded. And then this lawnmower should be running. Let's cross our fingers. All right, new carburetor, new air filter. Remember, if there was any old gas in there, take it out and put new gas in there. And let's see if we have some new blessings. That was it. Bad carburetor. There's really not a lot to do on lawnmowers. It's electric, gas, oil. That's it. Now I can drop it off. All right. Commence delivery of the lawnmower. Let's see if that'll hold. Yes, we know. Puerto Rican style delivery. Alrighty, delivery dropped off. Alright guys, this is what we do on days where we're not vlogging.
Yeah, that's what we do.
So until the next video.
Everybody take care of one another. Take care of yourselves. See ya.